have a really fun trip planned for the month of March, so I have kept my plans very, very simple. I've only got a handful of things I want to get done, some of which are for my trip. And yeah, I've decided to keep things very, very chill. So in today's video, I am going to talk you through all of my plans for the month of March. So like I said, I have a super fun trip planned for this month. I will be flying to London with my friend Christine from Christine Sews a Lot to attend Stitch Festival. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this. And the minute we booked our tickets way back in the fall, I think, maybe even before that, I've been trying to plan, what do I want to make? What do I want to bring? Do I bring a small carry-on only? Do I bring a big suitcase so that I can do lots of shopping? And I started getting myself a little bit overwhelmed at the thought of making like a whole new wardrobe to take with me to London. I don't need to be doing that. That would be silly. I do want to make a couple of key things that I think will allow me to minimize the number of garments I'm taking with me, leaving more room in my suitcase for the many, many purchases I anticipate I will be making. So the first thing on my list is a pair of travel pants. So I'm a strong believer in comfort above all if I'm going to be on a 6+ hour flight. So I've decided to make myself a nice pair of elevated athleisure trousers. I'm going to make the Sunday walking pants once again by Stylark. I made a pair back in February. I have a whole pattern review on the pattern that I will link to below if you happen to miss that. But this time I made a green pair in February, which I will take with me to London to wear on St. Paddy's Day because why not? They're green. So the next pair I want to make, and for my travel day, is a black pair. I think that'll be super versatile. I can pair those trousers with many, many different tops and colors. And I bought, I bought some cotton jersey from Core Fabrics. Now this is black, nothing super exciting, but the feel of this fabric is pretty amazing. Now I just dropped the label that came with the fabric. Hold on. All right, so this is 92% organic cotton, gotta love that, and 8% spandex. So, and it's 60 inches wide, which is nice. So I have 2.5 meters of this, which will be more than enough to make the Sunday walking pants. And it's nice, and I wouldn't say super thick, but it's chunky enough that I feel very confident that this is gonna make really nice pants to wear on the plane to London and then on the plane back home a week later. So this is project number one. The Sunday walking pants are really fun because they have a nice stripe down both sides that you can use contrasting fabric for. I'm gonna use a white stretchy fabric I have. It's like an athletic knit. So yeah, it'll make these pants basically neutrals, right? So black and white, I can pair anything with those. I love the look of this pattern. I like the white, well, not wide legs, like super wide, but they're wide-ish. And I do love that look on me because I find it helps balance out my top half. So yeah, that's project number one. This is gonna be probably priority number two because priority number one is a pattern I want to remake and take with me to London. And that is the Patina Blouse by Friday Pattern Company. I have this love affair with this blouse. I have two of them in my wardrobe right now that I wear all the time. And every time I wear them, I ask myself, why don't I have more of these? So I've decided once again to go super neutral and make myself a white patina blouse. Now I have two white tops already in my closet. I have a white Be Mine top, which has like balloon sleeves, 3/4 length, very plain front and back. Very versatile top that I love to wear in the summer because 3/4 length sleeves stuck in a jacket are not great. And then I have a white Vernon shirt with the lantern sleeves, and they are long sleeves that I wear basically fall, winter, spring. I roll up my sleeves in the spring, that kind of thing. But I can use a short sleeve blouse in white to layer with, to wear this summer, and I will be taking it to London. So the fabric I'm going to use for this is a beautiful viscose linen, once again from Core Fabrics. Again, it's white, pretty boring, but the texture of this fabric is so nice. So it's got a little bit of the structure of the linen, but then the drape and the lightweightness of the rayon. So this is, let me see. Okay, hold on. My gosh. This is 70% rayon, 30% linen, and it's 51 inches wide, and it's 230 grams per meter. So it's not lightweight. It feels lightweight, but it's not. It's pretty amazing for tops. I don't love this fabric for dresses or trousers because it is heavy, and I find, maybe I'm doing things wrong or I'm picking the wrong patterns, but I find this fabric tends to sag and stretch and droop, which is not great for trousers. So in a blouse though, especially one with like a structured collar and the V-neck and the buttons, I think it'll be so nice. And once again, super versatile. So I can wear this with any kind of trousers. I can wear this with skirts. Yeah, and about the skirts, I can't reveal too much, but another project on my list for March will be my Think Pink project. I have the fabric, it's already all cut out, and that garment will also come with me to London, and it's gonna go beautifully with my new Patina blouse. So I am excited about all of my projects this month. Now, at the start of the video, I said I didn't want to make myself a whole new wardrobe for London, and then I speak to you about all my plans, which are all about London. But that's it. Those 3 garments are all I'm making. They're all garments I need anyways. I'm going to wear them at home once I get back from London. And because they are so neutral, yeah, they're going to be superstars in my wardrobe, I think, going into spring and summer, and then come back again in my wardrobe for fall. So those are my projects. I do have a project I'm going to be making for Marianne, but again, I can't really share much about it because I'm also using my Think Pink fabric for her project. So I don't want to give too much away. My Think Pink unboxing and project reveal is coming out on the channel this coming Friday. So stay tuned. If you're curious, make sure you subscribed if you're not, so that you get notified when that video comes out. And there you go. So those are my plans for March. I will be filming bits and bobs while I'm in London. I'm going to be putting together a, my week in London type video when I get back on the channel. But I also plan on filming little clips here and there, more behind the scenes things that I will be putting up on the channel for members only. So those of you who are part of my membership will hopefully, fingers crossed, if all works out, little daily snippets from me and Christine and what we get up to, what we're wearing, that kind of thing. So if you're not a member of the channel yet and you'd love to see that content, there will be a link down in the description for you to join. We have a lot of fun in the membership. We have a monthly sewing social where we get together on Zoom and sew and chat, and we have a lot of fun. So click the link below, look at the perks for each level, choose the level that works for you, and hopefully I will see you in the community. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a like on your way out if you liked it, and I will see you soon.